I think there's an ocean behind me. I think it's the Pacific. To be Pacific. That's all I'm saying. Well, Jack, I'm this close. I'm finna walk down there and touch it, baby. I'm just saying.
Go do it.
I'm gonna do it then, all right? All right. Hold the spot. I'll be right back.
I got you.
All right.
Hurry up, though.
All right, I'm hurrying up. Sunlight's about to come up all the way. This is a shout out to my man Big Sales. I saw him do this once upon a time. I don't know where I'm about to go, but I do know I'm going somewhere. We're out here to the water. I ain't saying we coming to the Atlantic or nothing like that, but at least I'm touching the water. Touching the water. Now my feet wet, god damn it. Yeah, that part right there. You see me. As a man would say, ride your ride. So, I'm gonna ride. Money's car stereo. Just let you see what I see. Just letting you see what I see. I see water. Now I'm finna go see this motorcycle about something. Gotta go. I don't know where I'm going, but I do know this. I'm going.
You officially started.
Yeah. Yeah, left lane, I hit some bumps that took me off the seat. I said, let me scoot over a little bit and just fall in behind you. I know if you go too close to you, I'm in your blind spot. That's why I'll drop back.
Yeah. And if you can see my face shield, I can see you.
Yeah. And so, yeah, so if something happens, we'll go on the high beam.
Yep.
So be nice and wide enough, whatever.
Until we get this going.
We get this going.
I don't have a problem riding next to the wall.
Okay.
Matter of fact,
I was okay with it.
Threes,
But,
because he got that bad eye.
yeah.
We used to ride a lot together, and that's where that was my spot. The wall.
Okay.
So
Well, you want the wall, take the wall. I'm okay with the wall. I can hold my leg.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, I was like, just feeling y'all see how we going. That thing had threw me off a little bit, high connected to the seat when we first took off. I was like, hey, but yeah. Besides that, yeah, everything's looking good. I was wondering why that thing was so puffy, but I see it's
It's a cover.
It's a cover. Yeah, I was like, that thing about ready to take flight.
No, I see a cover. Just in case.
Yeah. Okay, let me finish this up quickly. Yeah.
You know what I've been to get from you?
What?
Lock.
I got the cable lock and I got the caliber lock. So we're working together. We'll take them front crash bars together or something. And
My key is sticking. After this trip, I'm going to either take it and replace it, or
what does it mean sticking? It's
the key
when you go try and
to lock it.
lock it. You got to cut it all the way to the left.
Yep.
Push it down.
Yep.
And it's still not.
It's like it's forcing.
Okay. Yeah. You
And
don't.
then to unlock it is damn near impossible.
Yeah.
So I'd rather not use the key to lock it.
Yeah.
And I brought my fob just in case. We'll, it'll be all right.
Okay.
I
All
don't
right.
fuss about shit. And it's insured, so if something happened, I get a new one anyway.
Yeah.
Let's go,
Do
man.
it. Oh, I got multimedia followers here, baby. You see, Hunter roll up on us was like, I think you knew who I was. May I know who you was because you knew, but I'm advertised. I'm there. Where my gloves at? Okay, so we'll double back the same way we came and run up on John Daly.
Is there a way to get to Golden Gate this way?
If you can continue straight, it'll end up by the Cliff House, but you don't really, you gotta wiggle a little harder to get to get to Stinson Beach, or 19th Avenue will take you all the way to the Golden Gate.
Hit 19th. Let's just go up to 19th.
Okay, so you wanna go down to Fort Point too, or?
No, we at the beach. Let's get.
No, what I'm saying is, if you 19th Avenue, stop.
Okay.
We run back over there, we right on the freeway.
Let's do it.
Which one?
I want to get on the road.
Okay.
We got 13 hours of ride.
Okay. All right. Yeah, go. Hold on a second. Give me a call.
Will your bike start when it's in gear without the clutch?
You ain't get around clutch, no. Your bike starts? Oh. It won't.
My old bike do.
Oh, the old bike up.
Yeah.
It'll jump away and